Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a smile to your photos or selfies on Wing app. So in here, if you want to fix your smile in a photo, you can use this effects or filter. You can just open the Wing app and then scroll down until you find the animate options here. So let's tap on animate and then choose your photos. For example, as you guys can see here on this photo, this girl is not smiling and I want to add smile to this selfie. You can just find or click on this expressions tab and you'll find the smile, grin, open eyes, tight and cool. So here I'm going to just go with the smile one. You can see now the girl will smiling in the photo. So if you like with the result, you can just hit on the save button at the top right corner. So that's how you can add a smile to your selfies on Wing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.